Bile is a crucial digestive fluid produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder. It plays a vital role in digesting fats, absorbing fat-soluble vitamins, and eliminating waste products from the body. When bile production is insufficient, it can lead to various health issues. Here are the 7 main symptoms of low bile. 1. Digestive problems. One of the primary functions of bile is to break down fats in the diet. When bile production is low, fats are not properly emulsified, leading to digestive problems. Individuals may experience symptoms such as bloating, indigestion, and discomfort after meals, particularly after consuming fatty foods. This can result in a feeling of fullness and abdominal distension. 2. Fatty stools, steatorrhea. Low bile production can lead to steatorrhea, a condition characterized by the presence of excess fat in the stools. Stools may appear pale, greasy, and float in the toilet bowl. This occurs because fats are not adequately absorbed in the intestines due to insufficient bile, causing them to pass through the digestive system unchanged. 3. Nutrient deficiencies. Bile is essential for the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, including vitamins A, D, E, and K. When bile production is low, the body struggles to absorb these vital nutrients, potentially leading to deficiencies. Symptoms of nutrient deficiencies can vary but may include night blindness, vitamin A deficiency, bone pain, vitamin D deficiency, muscle weakness, vitamin E deficiency, and easy bruising or bleeding, vitamin K deficiency. 4. Cholesterol imbalance. Bile helps regulate cholesterol levels in the body by facilitating the excretion of excess cholesterol. When bile production is insufficient, cholesterol can accumulate in the bloodstream, potentially leading to imbalances. This may increase the risk of developing cardiovascular diseases such as atherosclerosis, where cholesterol deposits build up in the arterial walls. 5. Gallstones. Insufficient bile can contribute to the formation of gallstones. Bile salts help keep cholesterol dissolved in the bile. When bile production is low, cholesterol can crystallize and form gallstones in the gallbladder. Gallstones can cause severe pain, particularly in the upper right abdomen, and may require medical intervention. 6. Fatigue and weakness. Nutrient malabsorption due to low bile can lead to general fatigue and weakness. The body relies on the efficient absorption of nutrients to produce energy and maintain overall health. Without adequate bile, the absorption of essential fats and fat-soluble vitamins is compromised, resulting in reduced energy levels and a feeling of constant tiredness. 7. Skin and eye changes. Vitamin A deficiency, resulting from poor bile production, can lead to noticeable changes in the skin and eyes. Individuals may experience dry, flaky skin and, in severe cases, night blindness or difficulty seeing in low light conditions. These symptoms are directly related to the body's inability to absorb and utilize vitamin A effectively. Recognizing the symptoms of low bile production is crucial for addressing the underlying causes and preventing further health complications. If you suspect you are experiencing any of these symptoms, it is important to seek medical advice. A healthcare professional can conduct appropriate tests, determine the cause of low bile production, and recommend treatments or lifestyle changes to improve bile flow and overall digestive health. Maintaining a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and managing underlying conditions such as liver disease can also help support healthy bile production.